How to activate Bank of Montreal credit card. Let's get started. Firstly, you will need to log into your Bank of Montreal account. For that, launch your banking app. You can get this app easily from the App Store or Play Store. Once you launch it, you will land to the login page. Now here you have to type in your account's credentials to log in. Type in the user ID and then password. Once you fill this, click on Sign In. Just with that, you will be logged into your account. Once you're in, go to the credit card section on the home page. Here you will see the cards you have received. Find the specific card you want to activate and tap on it. Next, tap on the gear icon. You will see an option that says Activate my card. Click on that. Now confirm you have received the card by selecting Yes, I have received my card. If you haven't received it yet, you can choose Not Yet, I'll wait. Then enter the expiration date and the security code from the bank of your card. Once you have entered these details, click on Activate your card. And that's it, your card is activated now. You can see all the details and start using your card right away. If you prefer, you can also activate your card via online banking. If you want to do so, launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Bank of Montreal, activate credit card and search for it. Then click on this option, Activate my BMO credit card website. Once you land at this page, from here as well, you can easily activate your credit card. Enter your 16-digit card number. Type in the expiration date as well as security code. Once you fill this, click on Next. Enter your email address in the next page and follow the prompts and sign in. And with that, your card will be activated in no time. Well, this way you can easily activate BMO credit card. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.